Now here's one we don't see too often at Unique Specialty and Classics. Just in, and it's a beauty. 1991 Cadillac Eldorado, and listen to this, folks. Original mile car at 21,247 on the odometer at the moment. Clean Carfax, confirms actual miles, no accidents indicated on it. Underneath the hood, 4.9 liter V8 power. Of course, front wheel drive car, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, actually has a new compressor on it. Take a look at the front end on this, the grille, of course the iconic Cadillac hood ornament from this era. Beautiful in the bright red and black interior. Take a look at the still pictures. Check out the undersides. Unbelievably clean interior, cargo area. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726, riding on the correct Cadillac wheels, Goodyear radial white wall tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. It's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might find a little bit of touch-up or a small blemish here and there, but they are few and far in between, as you can see up and down that passenger side. It shows very well. It does have the power moonroof, and that is working. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. I'll open and close that for you. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Let's take a look at the rear of the car. Again, the bright work around this car. Very nice shape, as is that paint. Few items that will go along with it. It has an aftermarket Alpine stereo system that's installed that is in working order. And there's the original one. It looks like it comes with the amp. Looks like they may have replaced a rear view mirror and power seat switch, it looks like. So I will put those items back in the car, so they'll go along with it. A few notes from the technician that looked at this one in our service department, but not much. He stated no shakes or vibrations when driving it. It brakes straight. The car drives out beautifully. The brakes are 100% in the front and rear. It is all-wheel disc brakes. Only thing he mentioned is the tires are showing some age. They're getting up there. And drivetrain, some minor weeps, which would be expected on a stock engine and car like this. But no surprises. Get in it, turn the key, and go. If you like Cadillacs, no matter what year, maybe Eldorado specifically, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here for Cadillacs. We definitely sell quite a few of that brand of car, and I get all models and years in. And typically, yes, they are very nice cars. Up and down this driver's side, you can see, again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. We appreciate all of you that have subscribed to our YouTube channel, well over 100,000 subscribers. And if you want to do anything else to help us out, we'd appreciate it. You can sure go ahead and share this video with somebody that you may know that would be interested in this car, or just like to watch the video and check out a classic 90s Eldorado. All right, leather seating surfaces, beautiful shape. Of course, buckets, center console. We do have a tilt column, cruise control. And again, we are going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Of course, what I like to call the pinball chime in this era car. All right, so there's the exact miles, 21,247. Aftermarket Alpine stereo system, and of course this is going to have more of your modern amenities as far as the stereo goes with the Bluetooth. I noticed there is a microphone up here, mounted nicely, professionally done. Top of the dash looks good, and yes, I can confirm the AC blows cold. Electronic climate control, of course, down here. I mentioned the power sunroof. So you can slide it all the way back into the roof line, or if you just wanted it vented, it will sure just vent also. All in working order. You hear that AC compressor kick on and off. If you hear that click, that's what that's going to be. Power antenna is working back here. There you can see sunroof. Sounds as you would expect. There's a little stress crack down in that kind of bumperette, I guess, for lack of better terms. Let's see if I can get this hood one-handed possibly here. Look at this. So, hood liner. Yeah, it doesn't look like this thing's been driven in inclement weather at all. And there it is, that V8 power. I believe these were somewhere around 200 horse and about 245 pound-feet of torque, which that's 91 in a small car. Plenty of power. AC has been converted. 134A. It is clean, and like I said, look at those undersides too. Very clean car, top to bottom, inside and out. 1991 Cadillac Eldorado, a little over 21,000 miles is all. Clean Carfax. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Hey, we're driving a very nice 1991 Cadillac Eldorado. Nice low miles, low kilometers, I might say. Digital dash. A little bit of holdover from the 80s, 1991. The peak of digital dashes, maybe. A nice, quiet, running Cadillac. If you're looking for the power of a Cadillac, the luxury of a Cadillac in front-wheel drive, a little bit smaller package, this is the answer. And bright red for a little bit more sporty appearance. Beautiful black interior, leather, comfortable bucket seats, automatic shifted right here on the center console, so it's easy to drive. We have an Alpine stereo that sounds great, with a good Tom Petty song. Down below, more digital goodness, temperature, range, instant economy, average economy, fuel used, recall, all the metrics you want to look for by the push of a button, including the HVAC system, which is push button and a digital screen. Smooth braking as you'd expect. Everything else is smooth as well. The factory steering wheel with slight finger grooves on the back. I gotta say, I'm kind of a fan. Of course, the leather steering wheel. Corners well. It's gotta be one of your better handling Cadillacs. A little less weight, a little less size. And glass sunroof over my head. Find all the pictures of this Cadillac at UniqueClassicCars.com.